Hey, it's Jimmy here with True Homes, and I'm going to take you on a quick tour of a Broadway floor plan. This is one of multiple different variations of the Broadway that we build. It's a ranch style floor plan. This one's got a bonus room above the garage, so let's go on inside and take a look. I hope you enjoyed this tour of the Broadway 2113. It's a 3-bedroom, 3 full bath home with a bonus room above the garage. This particular house is located in Edgewater in the Harbor Pointe community, right close to the golf course and to Fishing Creek Lake. It's a beautiful home with tons of upgrades. If you like this house or have any questions about this home or any other home, give me a call. You can contact me directly at 704-313-8514. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on a future video.